Agile software development is a modern approach to building software that has revolutionized the industry. It emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction, making it a preferred choice for many teams. Unlike traditional methods that follow a rigid, linear path, Agile embraces change and adapts to new information. It values iterative progress and continuous feedback, allowing teams to refine their work constantly. Agile methodologies are gaining popularity in today's fast-paced technological landscape, where requirements can change rapidly. This is largely due to their ability to adapt to evolving requirements and deliver value quickly, ensuring that the product remains relevant. Agile teams work in short cycles called sprints to develop and release software incrementally, which helps in managing workload effectively. This iterative approach allows for constant improvement and ensures that the final product meets the customer's needs and expectations. Agile development is all about delivering working software frequently with a focus on quality and customer value, making it a robust framework for modern software development. The Agile Manifesto, the guiding document for Agile development, outlines 4 core values that serve as the foundation for this methodology. These values are designed to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of software development teams. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Agile values people and their interactions more than rigid processes or expensive tools. It emphasizes teamwork, communication, and collaboration. This means that the success of a project relies heavily on the people involved and their ability to work together seamlessly. Working software over comprehensive documentation. While documentation is important, Agile prioritizes delivering functional software. It believes that working software is the best measure of progress. This approach ensures that the end product is always in a usable state, providing real value to users. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Agile encourages continuous engagement with customers throughout the development process. This ensures that the software meets their evolving needs. By maintaining an open line of communication, teams can quickly adapt to any changes in requirements or feedback, responding to change over following a plan. Agile acknowledges that change is inevitable in software development. It values flexibility and adaptability over rigidly adhering to a predefined plan. This allows teams to pivot and make necessary adjustments, ensuring the final product is both relevant and effective. The Agile Manifesto is further elaborated upon by 12 principles that guide Agile practices. These principles serve as the foundation for Agile methodologies, ensuring that teams remain flexible, responsive, and focused on delivering value to customers. 1. Customer satisfaction through early and continuous software delivery. Delivering working software frequently from the early stages of development is paramount to satisfying customers. By providing regular updates, teams can gather feedback and make necessary adjustments, ensuring that the final product meets the client's needs and expectations. 1. Welcome changing requirements even late in development. Agile embraces change, recognizing that the ability to adapt to evolving needs is crucial for success. This flexibility allows teams to respond to market shifts, new technologies, and customer feedback, ultimately leading to a more relevant and competitive product. 1. Deliver working software frequently, from a couple of weeks to a couple of months, with a preference to the shorter timescale. Frequent delivery of functional software ensures that value is provided incrementally and feedback can be incorporated quickly. This iterative approach helps to identify and resolve issues early, reducing the risk of costly rework and delays. 1. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Close collaboration between stakeholders and developers fosters a shared understanding and promotes alignment. By working together, teams can ensure that the project stays on track and that any issues are addressed promptly, leading to a more successful outcome. 1. Build projects around motivated individuals. Give them the environment and support they need and trust them to get the job done. Agile emphasizes empowering individuals and creating a supportive and trusting work environment. When team members feel valued and trusted, they are more likely to be engaged and committed to delivering high-quality work. 1. The most efficient and effective method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. Direct communication is valued over written documentation, promoting clarity and reducing misunderstandings. Face-to-face interactions enable quick decision-making and foster stronger relationships within the team. 1. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Tangible, functioning software is the most reliable indicator of progress in agile development. By focusing on delivering working software, teams can demonstrate their achievements and ensure that they are meeting their goals. 1. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Agile emphasizes a sustainable pace that avoids burnout and promotes long-term productivity. By maintaining a steady workload, teams can ensure that they remain focused and effective over the course of the project. 1. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Maintaining high standards of technical quality and design makes the software easier to maintain and adapt. By prioritizing technical excellence, teams can create a solid foundation for future development and innovation. 1. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. Agile values simplicity and efficiency, striving to eliminate unnecessary work and complexity. By focusing on what truly matters, teams can deliver value more quickly and with less effort. 1. The best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. Agile empowers teams to self-organize and make decisions, fostering innovation and ownership. When team members have the autonomy to make choices, they are more likely to be invested in the project's success and to come up with creative solutions. 1. At regular intervals, the team reflects on how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Continuous improvement is at the heart of Agile, with teams regularly reflecting on their processes and seeking ways to enhance their effectiveness. By learning from their experiences and making incremental changes, teams can continuously evolve and improve their performance. Section 4, Scrum, an Agile framework for project management. Scrum is a popular Agile framework that provides a structured approach to managing and completing projects. It emphasizes teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress towards a well-defined goal. Scrum is characterized by its use of sprints, which are short, time-boxed iterations of work, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Each sprint involves a team working collaboratively to deliver a potentially shippable product increment. Scrum defines specific roles, events, and artifacts that facilitate the Agile development process. Section 5, Kanban, visualizing workflow for enhanced efficiency. Kanban is another popular Agile methodology that focuses on visualizing workflow and limiting work in progress, often referred to as WIP. It helps teams improve their efficiency by identifying and eliminating bottlenecks in their processes. Kanban uses a visual board with columns representing different stages of work, such as to-do, in progress, and done. Tasks are represented as cards that move across the board as they progress through the workflow. By limiting the number of tasks allowed in each stage, Kanban helps teams focus on completing work in progress before starting new tasks, leading to faster delivery times. Section 6, XP, or Extreme Programming, emphasizing engineering practices. Extreme programming, commonly known as XP, is an Agile methodology that emphasizes engineering practices and close collaboration between developers and customers to ensure high-quality outcomes. It promotes values such as communication simplicity, feedback, courage, and respect, which are essential for team success. XP is characterized by its use of pair programming, test-driven development, or TDD, continuous integration, and frequent, small releases to maintain momentum. These practices aim to improve software quality, reduce defects, and enhance the development team's ability to respond to changing requirements efficiently. Section 7, Lean Development, maximizing value, minimizing waste. Lean software development is an agile methodology that draws inspiration from lean manufacturing principles. It focuses on maximizing customer value while minimizing waste in the development process. Lean development emphasizes 7 key principles: eliminate waste, amplify learning, decide as late as possible, deliver as fast as possible, empower the team, build integrity in and see the whole. By eliminating non-value-adding activities and empowering teams to make decisions, lean development aims to deliver software faster, with higher quality and at lower costs.